Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since we've made a cocktail here on the channel, and I'm gonna try to bring some of them back here as we go forward into the new year. So guys, today I'm gonna bring you a rye old fashioned, and typically I use bourbon for that, but today we're using rye whiskey, and this is a bottle of rye whiskey, the Whistle Pig 10-year-old. This was sent to me, well, this wasn't sent to me, it's a bottle just like this that is now empty. I replaced it. Larry, is a good subscriber, sent me a bottle and I tried it. He just wanted me to try it, and I did. It's excellent, one of my favorite rye whiskeys out there. Let me show you how we're gonna turn this into an old-fashioned cocktail. You guys, we're gonna start with just our standard rocks glass. I'm gonna come in here, got some Angostura bitters here. Just 2 or 3 dashes, that's all we need. Alright guys, if you got some sugar cubes, you can grind up muddle some sugar cubes in here to make it good and sweet. I'm just using some simple syrup I picked up in the store. Just about a bar spoonful, it's about all you need. Now it's not necessary, but if you want to get a little extra flavor, I like to add just a little syrup of the maraschino cherries. Just a little, about maybe half a bar spoonful. Guys, we got just 2 ounces of this Whistle Pig rye whiskey in the glass, not on the table. Very simple from here, guys. I'm just gonna add some ice. I'm just gonna give this a good stir. Chill it off, dilute it. Do not be deterred by the amount of contents in this glass, because this is a short drink. It's a very strong drink. Okay, we're going to garnish with 1 cherry. And I've got 1 orange here that I'm just going to take just the rind off. Hold the rind or the orange over the glass so you can get some of those oils. I'm just gonna peel off a little piece of that orange there. Rub our rim. Express some of those oils into there. Just drop our orange peel right into the drink. Folks, the rye old fashioned. Let's get a taste of this. Cheers to you, folks. That is one fantastic old fashioned, guys. If you have not tried this with rye whiskey, please do. Tell me what you think. Do you like the old fashioned? Have you had one? Something a little different. We have not done these drinks in a while, and I'm glad to bring them back, and we're gonna kick them out as often as we can. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching the channel. Hit that like button if you don't mind. That helps us out a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and hit that bell to let you know every time we post a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.